Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mix red color. To begin, understand that while red is a primary color, you can achieve a vast spectrum of red hues by mixing it with other colors. We'll explore how to lighten, darken, or shift the tone of your base red. Always start with your pure red and introduce other colors in very small, controlled increments to achieve your desired shade effectively. To lighten your red, the simplest method is to add white. This will create various shades of pink, from a soft blush to a vibrant fuchsia. Begin by adding just a tiny drop or a small dab of white paint to your red. Mix it completely, then assess the color. Continue adding small amounts of white until you reach the perfect light red or pink hue you envision for your project. To achieve a darker, richer red, you can introduce black or a dark complementary color. A small amount of black will create deep maroon or burgundy tones. Alternatively, adding a dark blue or even a dark green can produce more complex, muted, and earthy reds. Remember, a little goes a long way. Add these darker colors sparingly to avoid overpowering your red. You can also shift the hue of your red to make it warmer or cooler. Adding a small amount of yellow will create warmer, more orange reds, like a fiery vermilion. Conversely, incorporating a touch of blue will produce cooler, more purplish reds, such as a rich crimson or magenta. Always mix thoroughly and observe the subtle changes to achieve your precise desired red variation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.